Hey everyone, and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you 3 ways to restart your network interface in Linux after you've made changes to the configuration file. This process is useful if you're manually configuring static IPs or custom network setups. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. So let's begin with the classic way by manually bringing the interface down and then back up. So before we start, I would like to give you a quick tip. So the ifdown command that we will be using disables a network interface while the ifup re-enables it, based on your latest configuration. So now without wasting any more time, let's start. So to begin, open your terminal. So the first step will be to identify your interface name. So there will be a few common names like ETH0, ENP0S3, ENS33, or many more. You can find it out using this command. So just simply hit enter and then you will find an output like this. And your interface name should be right over here as you can see, and yours will be also right over here. Now run the second command, which you can find in the description box below. Just simply replace ETH0 with your own interface name. So in my case, it is ENP0S3. Once you'll do that, just simply hit enter. This will apply your new configurations to the interface immediately. And now let's move on to the next step. Now let's try restarting the entire networking service. This method reloads all networking settings from the configuration files. So quick note, systemctl is a command to manage services on your Linux system. Now paste the first command, which you can find in the description box below, and hit enter. After you've pasted this command, all configured interfaces will be reset and use the updated settings. So the reason it is not showing anything on my end is because I don't have a networking service because there are no wireless connections on my system. But for you, it'll work just fine. Now in the third method, if the first or the second method didn't work, or if you are unsure what went wrong, the safest fallback is to reboot your system. This ensures all network configurations are loaded correctly. So what you do is just simply paste this simple command and then hit enter, and that will reboot your system. The changes in the configuration file will be active. So that's it. Your network interface should now be restarted and running with your updated settings. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. Hey, so thank you for watching and take care.